life to everyone who loves Pep Talk India's channel. I, Khushi Singh, at your disposal, going to tell you one of the biggest problems, that one hitch that occurs to most of us while learning to speak in English effectively and fluently. And we call it the habit of comparison. Yes, we compare ourselves a lot with others, and in a psychological term we call it contrast bias. We human, one or the other way, we always compare ourselves with others. So sitting in the classroom, we listen to other guys, other people speaking, and we say, no way, that's not my cup of tea. I'm not going to speak like that. I would always and always compare myself with others. That was the problem when I started learning to speak in English fluently. And I'm sure that happens to you as well. So what's the solution? Very first thing, you gotta accept that you're human. So you will compare yourself with others. But here is a deal. Stop comparing yourself with others rather than start comparing yourself with the previous day. I mean, day for yesterday and yesterday, how exactly were you speaking? What were your speed? How much grammatically correct you were speaking day for yesterday? Did you improve something yesterday? Well, today, are you speaking a little better than yesterday? So compare, there's no problem in comparison. Use the advantage of being human. Be unconsciously biased towards yourself. For sure, that's pretty okay. But not with others. I'll compare myself with myself of yesterday every single time I feel of comparing. See, we all are different. We'll always be different. I don't have to compare myself with somebody who's sitting next to me. Okay, the guy sitting next to me must have started some time ago, or maybe he knows how to speak in English. Well, I don't know. So I don't have to compare myself with that guy, rather I have to compare myself all the time with me. So problem is the habit of comparison with others, and the solution is compare yourself with your previous self.